Listen up. We got a nasty one. We have 200 contractors coming in. I want live crew tracking, repair logs, joint use equipment reports. Bird dogs to your trucks. Let's get this grid back online.
Our bird dogs are scrambling after the contractors, chasing updates, juggling calls, trying to track down who did what, when, and where. Just paper, phones, and panic. These completed or temp repair?
It's in there.
You got a number for joint use polls?
You've got to ditch the 80s and switch to Amidyne Storm Solution. You'd have a report in a minute and then you'd know.
And that's when it hit me. The storm wasn't our enemy. Our old system was.
This is gonna be a breeze.
Kid, you should have seen the storm at 25.
Nothing tastes as sweet as live and validated data in the morning.
Now we don't chase the storm, we manage it. Amidyne Storm Solution. Bring clarity to the storm.